So we have all kinds of flooring in our house. Carpet, area rugs, hardwood floors, tile. So I need a vacuum that can go easily from one to the other without a whole lot of work on my part. And so that is why I really love this feature of the Miele. Right now I'm vacuuming the hardwood floors. And I have the main, what I call beater bar attachment on. But I don't have the motor turned on actually in the beater bar because I don't need it on my hardwoods. Now that I'm on the carpet though, I do want to turn on the motor in the beater bar. So what I'm going to do first is I am going to use my foot to adjust the pile to a throw rug, and then I'm going to switch on this power switch here on the handle to turn on, and that gives me the extra power that I need to really get this carpet clean where my son tracked in mulch, but the suction's not so much that it's going to really mess up my rug. You can see that this is just great on the rug. It's almost effortless. It has its own propulsion, and so it's making the job easier for me. And then when I need to switch back to the floor, I just turn that switch off. Being able to switch easily from one floor surface to the next is one of my favorite things about the Miele. You know, because I really don't like switching attachments. It takes longer to vacuum that way. So I just turn that on and I'm able to vacuum this rug under my kitchen table. Now when I'm working in a room that has all hardwoods, I can switch to the parquet floor tool, and that is super easy as well, and I'm going to show you how easy. So let me show you how I'm going to switch to the parquet floor tool. I just use my foot, easier to do when you're not holding a camera, and pull that attachment out and slide it in, and there you go. Now I can focus on those areas in the house where we have hardwoods exclusively. The Miele also has a trio of attachments on board, and they come in handy for dusting, vacuuming blinds, or vacuuming upholstery. Here I am vacuuming the sofa. So here's how you trick your husband into vacuuming for you. Here we're vacuuming the carpet in my office, and you can see that this is just really propelling itself, and I have to say that I have not vacuumed in here in a long time, and I can see it getting really clean now thanks to the Miele.
I still have energy to do even more chores.
Oh, you do have energy to do more chores. Well, I've got some for you.